In this video, I'm going to show you how to change WordPress password in your dashboard. So I'm already logged into my dashboard. So what we're going to want to do is go over here to users and then click on your profile. Okay, and then just scroll down to the bottom where it says new password. So just go ahead and click generate password, and that will generate a password automatically for you, or you can just choose your own password. I'm going to choose my own just so it's something that I can remember. Okay, so put your password in, and then you're just going to click update profile. Okay, so it says profile updated. So that means our password has been changed. So now we can log out, and then the next time we log in, we'll use our new password. I hope that helps you guys with changing your WordPress password, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all.